Hello and welcome to Planet Cruise. We have some exciting news from P&O Cruises to share with you. P&O Cruises' un-missable Summer 2024 collection is almost here, with brand new itineraries featuring calls at vibrant destinations. It's packed with holiday inspiration. So whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a blend of both, you can start dreaming about long sun-splashed days and really get into the summer spirit. To ensure that you secure your dream cruise, register with Planet Cruise and we'll alert you as soon as important information such as departure dates, itineraries, and early booking benefits are available. So here are some important on-sale dates for your diary. Exclusively on sale for Caribbean, Baltic and Ligurian tier members of P&O Cruises Peninsula Club. From 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Tuesday the 29th of March 2022. On general sale for holidays departing March to June 2024 from 8:30 a.m. on Wednesday the 30th of March 2022. On general sale for holidays departing July to October 2024 from 8:30 a.m. on Thursday the 31st of March 2022. Ready to feel the summer spirit? Your summer 2024 P&O Cruise is just around the corner. Click the link to go through to our pre-registration page. To stay in the know with future cruise news, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive a notification every time we post a video.